LifeVent is an intensive care ventilator designed to save lives during the Covid-19 pandemic. We designed LifeVent for worldwide use by incorporating standardized parts from global suppliers, using industrial grade where possible. Industrial grade is a term used to denote larger size, toughness, and resilience. Similarly, we use globally available industrial field-proof electronic components sourced from premium global brands in preference to designing unique, harder-to-source components. Use of the machine is possible from any side of it. User screen can be easily positioned according to operator's requirement. LifeVent is compatible with all hospital systems and consumable materials such as masks, filters, connection to air and oxygen distribution, and others. The user interface is familiar to the staff to minimize training requirements. An experienced operator can learn how to use LifeVent Ventilator within less than 10 minutes. LifeVent has a wide range of mode selection and parameter adjustments. Popular parameters are always accessible on the screen for adjustment or monitoring. If other parameters are required, it is just one touch away. Besides, we also have one page which monitors all measured values. As an intensive care ventilator, LifeVent supports most of the invasive and non-invasive ventilation modes. You choose pressure control, volume control, or pressure-regulated volume control, then just ventilation mode. The device lets you adjust interface colors and notification times. It can automatically activate dark mode according to specific hours of the day. The device has its own battery pack and can run to up to 2.5 hours on battery. Machine notifies with sound and visual alarms. Notification color and sound level provides information of priority of alarm type. Contact us for more details.